guys, happy whatever day of the week it is from the side of a mountain in North Carolina. I don't know if you can see just how rustic things are here right now, but I, just as a corollary to my post today about privacy policies, wanted to talk to you about what a privacy policy is and why you need one. So a privacy policy is one of the webpage policies that needs to go in the footer of your business's webpage. It's a legal requirement in most countries of the world if you collect any sort of personal information. And you may think that you don't collect personal information, but I'd be willing to bet that you do. If you have a contact us form, if you have a newsletter that people can subscribe to via your website, if you offer any sort of free download in exchange for a name or email address, if you run Google Analytics, if you track cookies, and pretty much every website tracks cookies, these are all behaviors that are considered the collection of personal information, putting you under the purview of those websites requiring a privacy policy in order to be legally compliant. But beyond the legal compliance factor, it just makes good business sense to have a privacy policy. Think about all of the data security breaches we've heard about recently, Zoom being a big one. Customers and visitors to your website want to know what information you're collecting, why you're collecting it, and how you're going to keep their personal information safe. In addition, I should have mentioned when I spoke about Google Analytics, if you are running Google Analytics on your webpage, you have to have a privacy policy. And if you want to run Google AdSense, if you plan on running ads via Google AdSense at any point in the future, Google will necessitate a privacy policy before they will accept you into the program. So just a few things to note about privacy policies. If you have questions on this or would like more other webpage policies you need, I am going to be hosting a short, under 30 minutes, webinar on Friday at noon Eastern Standard Time, and I will drop the information into a story here tomorrow and also a post in the feed. In the meantime, though, it's going to be streamed both on Zoom and in my Facebook group. So check out my Facebook group. It's Legal Tips for Online Entrepreneurs, and it's linked in the bio, and I offer regular tips and insight as far as business law topics that I think are highly important to fellow entrepreneurs.